Hey there YouTube, George here, been at it again and got ourselves a pair of Wharfedale Triton 3 speakers. Picked these up on Sunday for my usual speaker price of €20, so was quite pleased with that. And I said to the guy, did they work? He said, yeah, they work fine. I said to myself, yeah, sure. Because the last couple of sets I got, I was told that and they didn't work at all. So quite pleased when I brought them home, put them up on the bench, and as you could hear there in the intro, they work quite well. So as you can see there, whipped off one of the covers, and we have a nice, it's a 6.5 inch woofer, and I think it's a 4-inch mid and a 1-inch tweeter. It's a silk tweeter, and I'm quite pleased with these. So all I need to do is a bit of cosmetic tidying up. The cabinets aren't bad, they're just kind of dirty and a few light scrapes here and there, but I reckon they'll respond well to a dart of the sander, and we'll oil them or something. So I'm quite pleased with them. Playing a bit of royalty-free music, so the Nazis can't get me. I have to. I got some new lighting here, and I just have them there for now. But I think I'm going to put them up here, so that they'll be kind of out past the bench, so they're throwing the light in. So we'll get to that. So I'm quite pleased with these. So we'll be back at some stage and we'll start tidying them up. And we'll see how they turn out. Thanks for watching. This is George, EI7 Kilo Oscar. Bye bye.